guys, and welcome to my channel. So I haven't done YouTube in like 5 years, so I thought why not do a get to know me and what I've been doing in the past 5 years of not being in YouTube, and yeah, let's get down to it. That might be a parcel. I really hope it isn't, because they're going to kill me if it is. First things first, we are going to do primer. So I'm just doing an everyday like natural look. So it really depends on like what I want to do. By the way, I'm just going in with the Simple, Kind and Replenishing Rich Moisturiser. So I'm just going to put that in because I used this cream when I wake up, like whenever I wash my face. I always use this cream. So it's a really, really good cream. Just for an everyday. Getting a job with either a business that I'm doing or I don't know, hopefully something to do with media, or I'm trying to think, don't really know, but anything to do with like media or being creative, that's what I like. First primer that I've used is their NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is an amazing primer. The only thing is, what you do have to do is you can't rub it into the skin. You kind of have to like pat it into the skin and just tap it in your T-zone areas, your nose, wherever you get most oily. Mine's usually under my eyes. My nose gets really, really oily, but on my chin. A lot of the ordinary stuff. Yeah, that's probably the best for acne prone skin, just to say. It's probably one of the easiest things that I've used. So with eyebrows, today I'm using the Got To Be Schwarzkopf Ultra Glued Styling Gel for edges. This is really, really good. I usually use like a tiny little baby blob just on my hand. So this is the Makeup Obsession Brow Goals. This is, I think I bought this from Pretty Little Thing. Again, quarantine life. Don't talk to me about it. I'm trying to think. Pretty Little Thing, probably, Misguided and ASOS maybe the best. Only because they have like a range of styles. I can go from like different stuff, like all of this, well this top today is from Pretty Little Thing, and then the top underneath is Misguided, so cool. Just to say, put my spoolie into the gel. So you're just going to bring this up like that. Don't worry about like other hairs getting in the way, we'll sort that out later. So make sure you're just bringing them up. And with this, try and get them even. It doesn't matter if they're not, like we can sort that out later. By the way, I'm just going to go in the other end and just fill out all the gaps. Oh, hello. So this is the James Charles palette. I bought this on Pretty Little Thing with my discount, so it was cheaper than buying it in Morphe, which is lovely. And look at that, it's lovely. So we are first. Oh my gosh! Everything's going everywhere. What is wrong with me? So we're just going to go in with one light colour and another one. Again, it's kind of hard because I'm like dipping in and then coming out of shot, but I'll show you guys. So we're just going to keep this in our crease, not too much. Just to say, we are going to change brushes. Oh my god, why has that got green on it? So we're going to go in with our NYX Professional Makeup number 13, and we are going to go in with a darker brown this time. Not too dark, we're going to use a darker brown, but not as yet. we're just creating kind of like a smoky eye, but not too much because we don't look cray-cray on our day of work. And also, like, even if you want to do something for uni, because a lot of people would want to do makeup for uni. By the way, that goes away after like 2 weeks. You just roll up in your PJs, not gonna lie. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm blending it out quite a lot, but we will fix that. This is why I do my eyes first. By the way, just to say, we are going in with another fluffy brush. I'm going to use the deepest shade of brown we can find in that palette. I'm just going to keep that in our corner, kind of just do it like a winged liner and bring it into the middle, just where you're just going to do it where your iris is, and then stop. So stop in the middle and just bring it out. And then I'll show you quite a cool trick what we can do after. You can use any ordinary like face mask. No. You can use, what are these called? Face wipes. Why am I such an idiot? Yeah, you can use a Slope and Glory, you can use Primark, it doesn't really matter. And we're just going to look away and create a line. See that? Compared to that one. See that one? So we're just going to do it again just to make sure that we've got no crazy bits. Here it is the Sosu Stargirl eyelashes. Now I have some eyelashes coming and they haven't arrived, and it's been like 5 weeks. But yeah, we're going to use these, and we're going to use the Duo Lash Glue. I have this in black because it's easier and it doesn't you can't really depict where my lash line, my actual natural lash line, as well as these like go. And I use this applicator, which makes it easier for me to put on. So we're going to just do them. So we're just going to go in. Oh, I didn't even tell you what I'm using. Wow. The Colossal Maybelline 100% Black. Now this is a new mascara, and I actually really like it. Also, I don't know what Sandra's doing, but that is foul. Like, I woke up and I was talking to my friend and I was like, oh yeah, this is what you do to get clear skin. Don't know what happened. I think it just wanted to say hello on the YouTube videos. I didn't put this in water, but it is okay because we will go in with our Urban Decay All-Nighter and just spritz. So this is something that I usually do just to get it moisturised. Okay. This is really good. This was like, I think from Amazon. And 3 came in a box, so I got like 3 boxes. Now, the foundation that I'm using is the TOFFEE number colour 10. It's My Perfect Colour Glow Foundation. This is from Primark. Primark is doing good. So I'm just going to use a random like bit of paper or like a mixer or whatever. So you don't have to use a blender, beauty blender. By all means use whatever you like. You can use a brush if you want. I do not judge. I look absolutely mental right now, but yay. My concealer, that was it. So I'm just going to show you guys again, but I'm not going to do like a crazy amount. I'll just try and do the tiniest amount. The Robert Welsh technique. So what he usually does is does a tiny bit of concealer up there, there, 2 dots. That's very light. 2 dots. And here. And here. And guys, that is it. That's all you need. And I find, because I like the cat eye effect, that my foundation and everything just blends together so much like better, and your makeup isn't like cakey or it's not too much, and it's an amazing, like, look. I look beautiful. Always do. So we're gonna actually go underneath that lash line just to finish off our look, because obviously we have gone in with our foundation. It's okay for us to start at underneath. Let me just open up the palette again. Okay, so we're gonna, there we go, we're gonna go in with these two, tiniest bit, and this, and just go underneath our lash line. For my contour is Fenty Beauty, and this is the 3 like matchstick thing. I've got it in the darkest, so I'm using Truffle, and I literally bought this I don't know how many years ago, but this is, it's at its last little nib, so I bought some, but not from Fenty. So I'm just gonna go up again on this side. Just gonna use some contour on my nose and the tiniest bit on the forehead. Again, I don't use that much, but hey ho. And some just across my chin. So we're first going to go in with a beauty blender just on the nose. I don't use a beauty blender for anything else but my nose, only because it's just easier. So we're going to go through that. It kind of just buffs it out more, so usually contour all the way up to the eyebrow and bring it down, but we're just going to blend everything now. Now I usually use this in circular or downward motions only to blend, because as you can see it will blend like my skin tone. This is the Too Faced bronzing palette in dark chocolate, and it smells like chocolate and I love it, and thank you so much Lila for introducing me to this, because I never used to use bronzer. Probably like a year ago, this is when she introduced me. Girl, I don't know what I've been doing to my makeup, not been putting bronzer on, don't know who I thought I was. I'm just going to do this and bring it up. Don't use too much, just tap the excess off. I like it. The most expensive thing is right at my fingertips, and it's my Darling Beautiful Michael Kors bag. This is like, I think 280, most amount of money I've spent on myself except for the camera, because that was like 300, 400, but yeah, absolutely love this. You can wear it like a backpack, you can wear it just one sleeve, which I usually do, but obviously I have both of them so I don't lose them. I just love it. We are going to go in with highlighter. Fenty Beauty, this is like the bomb or something like that, like a glossy velvety finish to it. It's not supposed to be that colour, it's supposed to be white, but obviously my colour is just like gone into this. So we're going to use, it doesn't have a bloody name on it, I'm going to use this. This is the easiest one, it's kind of like a fluffy one at the end, and we're just going to mix it, tap it, and start from here and work your way down. Love it so much. Just gonna hit my nose. Anywhere else, usually like here has a little bit of highlight, here, there. I'm just checking the light to see like what hits me. If there's anything, sometimes there's like little bits, but that's about it. I went to Nottingham Trent University. I was there for 3 years and I studied media, and hence why I like doing this, because it's media related and I love editing, and yeah, absolutely loved it. And it's just one of those things where I think I was very happy there, made many friends. I lived out last year, absolutely loved it. I met a lot of people that I love, yeah, and I loved it. It was really nice. So we are next. I hate myself sometimes because I was literally just going to use this and it's a stub. A stub. Well, can't bloody use that, can you? Absolute divvy. This one's the Morphe Clingy. Oh, lovely. So we're going to use that. Outline our lips, because I'm quite lucky. I have like a quite prominent cupid's bow. Underneath and out, not too much. Okay, so we're going to do that, and we're just going to dab. Not too much though. Okay, and then we're going to go in with the Jeffree Star Leo, and this is like the mini Jeffree Star Morphe collab, which I absolutely love. Just going to put that all over our lips. Gonna let that dry and add the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Daddy. This one was his collab with Manny MUA, so I'm not sure if you can get it, but I'll try and put some dupes on. I'm just going to go in the centre. Cute. So that is nearly there. So I'm actually going to go in with That's Swell. I think this is from Barry M. I usually use this underneath, but it's quite a good gloss to use over the top. And just in again. It actually smells quite nice as well. Wow. Literally ridiculous. And I need that as well. Oh my god. Don't fall. Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. Cover your eyes because you don't want your eyes to go tacky. So this is the final finished look, so it's kind of just like a normal bronzy everyday look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved making this. I'll do many more YouTube videos if you guys want to. The link will be in the description of where you can get like most of my stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.